Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys 5 hacks that you can use on your browser and most probably you didn't even know about them. Well, by hacks I do not mean coding and stuff. I just mean stuffs that will make your life a little bit easier and save you a little bit of time. Well, anyway, welcome to the second episode of 2 Minute Saturday. So without wasting any more time, let's roll up that 2-minute mark on the clock and let's begin. First tip or hack that I have here is the middle mouse button. Well, did you know that you can use your middle mouse button to open a new tab for a website? For suppose you are scrolling on a website like gadgets.ndtv and you find an interesting article. So what you can do is open the article in a new tab, and instead of using right click and then open in a new tab, you can just press middle mouse button on it and it will automatically open in a new tab. Now coming on to the second one, there are actually a lot more keyboard shortcut on YouTube than just the JKL button. There are actually a lot of them. Like here on this website you can find all the keyboard shortcuts on YouTube that you can use, and some of them are actually quite useful, like pressing 0 to start a video again or using numbers to go on a particular section of a video. So I found it really useful. You guys can also check out all the keyboard shortcuts from here. I'll put the link in description box below. Coming on to the third one, there are actually a lot of websites that have two types of them. I mean, there is one for PC and one for mobile of the same website. Well, for some reason you want to use the mobile website on your PC. Well, you can actually do it in a really simple way. For that you have to press F12 on your keyboard or right click and inspect on your mouse, and then you can press this button right here and it will open the mobile website for you, and then you just have to refresh your browser and then you will find yourself on the mobile version of the website that you want. Coming on to the fourth one, did you know that you can actually install apps on your phone using your PC from Google Play Store? Well, you can actually do that. To do that, you have to make sure that you have same Gmail account logged into your PC and your phone at the same time. Well, after making that sure, you can just press install from the Google Play Store on PC and the app will start installing on your phone. Well, isn't that amazing? Coming on to the fifth and last one, this thing is actually a little bit old, I would say, but did you know that you can actually search image on Google? Well, for that you just have to type images.google.com on your browser and you will come to a page like this. From here you can also use a link of a photo or you can upload a photo from here. For suppose I am just going to upload a photo of this earphone. And here you can see it is showing me some results of earphones and LEDs lightings and well, all the stuff. By the way, you can also do that on your phone as well. To do it on your phone, you just have to open images.google.com. Now after coming here, you will find no option to upload photos or anything. Now what you have to do is press on this button right here and then click on desktop site, and then you will find the option to upload your image. So guys, this is it for today. If you find this video useful at all, then please hit that subscribe button and the like button. I will catch you up in the next video.